Hello everyone, welcome back to our MAVEN Techno Solution channel. If you are a beginner to learn Linux and DevOps tools, you are in the right place, in the right channel. So in the entire course, we are going to cover all the DevOps tools and the complete Linux part, like from beginner to advanced level commands. To learn this DevOps tools, the basic requirement is Linux. So that's why we have started our course on first Linux part. Okay. So in the last 13 lectures, we covered all the basic commands like the cd command, pwd command, how to get the host name and server name, how to get the IP address, how to get the memory details, how to get the process ID, okay, how to kill the process, okay, and file management commands like touch command and cat command, and to list the files, ls commands, okay, and the types of files in a Linux, okay. So in the last lecture we covered the read write permission, okay, all these commands, okay, we covered in the last lecture. So in today's lecture we will cover this manage directories, okay, these all commands. If you are not aware about these all commands, okay, please go through all the lectures and videos and do yourself practical, and after that you can continue the today session. Okay, in the today session we will see quickly how to create a directory and the different types of various different syntax of this copy commands. Okay, we will see this one. Okay, to create a directory we will use mkdir command to create new directory. Let's see. First I will do ls. Okay, mkdir for demo. You can see here there is demo directory is not existing here. Okay, so I will create demo directory. Hit enter and do ls. Hit enter. You can see here the demo directory is created here. So if you want to create a multiple directory with a single command, how we are going to do? See, mkdir, like example directory you want to create, example in a flower bracket, give how many directories you want to create. I want to create a 5 directories at a time. Okay, it will create example 1, example 2, like up to example 5. You can see here, do ls. What I will do, sorry, that is wrong command, mkdir, okay, here it's double dot, not 5 dot, triple dot, test. I will take the different name, double dot 5, close that is, hit enter, do ls, c, ls hyphen l, you can do this. You can see here test 1, test 2, test 3, test 4, test 5, up to it created a 5 directory. Okay, so previously what I did, here I given 3 dots, okay, that is wrong command, so we need to give 2 dots. Okay, I hope you got this point. Okay, we will see this copy command. Copy command is used to copy the files one directory to another directory and one file to another file. We will see all these files commands. Okay, first we will create on copy, create on file and we will copy to the directory. Okay, I will create one file with touch command, hit enter, control L, scroll up the screen, do ls, file is here. So I want to move this file to demo directory. How? cp file and demo, and give that demo directory name. Okay, and hit enter. So you can see ls hyphen l and give the demo directory name. Okay, demo directory name and hit enter. See, the file is, this file is copied to this demo directory. You can see here with this ls command we check that the file is copied. Okay, fine. So we see that we will see this next command, copying the multiple files with a single command in a directory. How? See, one more file I will create, touch file 2, like I want to create multiple files, double dot 5 files I want to create. Okay, I created the 5 files. You can do this ls hyphen l. See here, I created 5 files here. So these 5 files I want to move at a time into the directory, just like in a test directory. For an example, I will move to test directory, these all files within single command. How? Copy file 1 space file 2, file 3, file 4, file 5. file, and the test directory I want to move. I want to move these all files to test directory 1. Hit enter. Now you can do ls-l to where to this test directory, test1 directory. You can see here inside this test1 directory you move all the files with this single command. Okay, so even we can move this all the files, like file, okay, whichever the name start with file. Okay, you can see here with a single command, that is very easy. File do star means in front of the file, whatever the number, whatever it may be a dot text, whatever the data is containing after this file, it will copy all the files to whichever directory you want. For an example, I will copy to this test2 directory. See here, test2, and hit enter. Do ls-l to this test2 directory and hit enter. You can see here all the files, even file 1, file 2, file 3, all the files. Okay, it completely copied to this test2 directory. How? With this command, file star means it will consider after this star whatever the file, whatever the information is there in front of this file, it will consider all the files and it will store copy into this test2 directory. Okay, I hope you got this point. Okay, we will see this one, copy a file to file. Still now what we did, file to directory we are copied. Now here what we'll do, file to file. Let's see this. Before copying that file, I will write something into the file, like file, just for that I will clear the screen, clear, hit enter, do ls. Okay, what I will do, I will write some information into this file. How? Cat, what I will do, hello. So we can do one more type also, file 1. Okay, here you can write whatever data you want to inside, copy to this file 1. Hello, this is file 1 data. Control C, interrupt the process. Now you can do cat file 1, hit enter. See, the data is written into this file. Okay, so what I will do, I will copy this data to file 2. So before copying that to the file 2, you can check in the file 2 which data is there. Do cat, hit enter. In the file 2 there is no any data. So what I will do, I will copy file 1 data, this file 1 data. Hello, this is file 1 data is existing in the file 1. So I will copy this file 1 data to file 2. Now see here, file 1 and give file 2. Hit enter. Do cat for file 2 and hit enter. See, before when we did this cat command to this file 2, there is no any data is existing, so it's empty. After copying the file, okay, from file 1 to file 2, now I did the cat command. See, there is file 2, inside the file 2 there is data existing. What we did with the cp command, we copied from file 1 to file 2. Okay, I hope you got this point. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll copy a file 1 to inside this different directory. Okay, without entering into this directory. See here, copy file 1. Okay, file 1. So for an example, I will copy to this demo directory. Take this demo directory and I want to copy that file 1 with a different name, like file number 10. Hit enter. See here, before inside this demo directory there is no any file 10. ls-l demo, hit enter. See, before that there is file is existing. The file 10 is newly created and the data is copied. When we perform this command, so from file 1 data is copied to this file and newly created this file and inside this demo directory, and the data is copied to this file. How come you will know that whether the data is copied to this 10 file number 10. You can do this cat command demo and file 10. Hit enter. See here, hello data. This is file 1 data. Okay, inside this file 1 there is data. This is data, file 1 data, and you have created the file 10 and insert this demo directory and copied the data. Okay, I hope you got this point. Okay, what we'll do, we'll see this -i. What is -i? That is interactive. Before overwriting the file, when you are writing a file, one file into the another file, if the same data is existing, you want to overwrite that data. That time it will show for a permission. It will ask for permission. Okay, it will interact with a user whether you want to overwrite or not. Okay, we'll see this one. How you can check that file 1. What I will do, file 1 data, again into this demo. What I will do, demo file 10, just now we created, right? I will perform the same command again. Okay, what I will do, before performing this command, I will put -i here. Hit enter. See here, because already we performed the same command here. You can see here, we perform the same command, means one already the data is copied to this. Okay, again you want to perform the same command, again you want to copy that data again. So that time it interacting to the user, -i is interacting to the user, whether you want to overwrite. See here, whether you want to overwrite the data into this file or not. If you say yes, means it will overwrite. If you say no, means it won't copy the data. Okay, it will remain, it will skip. Okay, it won't copy. I hope you got this point. We will see this. What is hyphen capital R? That capital R will, what it will do, when we are copying one directory into another directory, if inside the directory if some files are existing, that time without this recursive mode you can't copy the file. Okay, we will see this in example, in practical. See here what I am trying to say here. Ctrl+L, I will scroll up the screen, just do ls. See here what I will do, ls-l for this demo. Hit enter. See, inside the demo directory there is 2 files are existing. Okay, what I will do, I want to copy this demo directory into this test directory 1. Okay, into this test directory 1. Before that we can check this test directory 1 also. Test directory 1. See here, there is no any directory existing. All files are existing. File 1, file 2, file 3, file 4, file 5. There is no any directory existing. So what I will do, copy demo directory way to this test directory, to test1 directory. Hit enter. See, it won't allow. See here, copy -r not specified, omitting the directory. So when you perform this -r, what it will do, in recursive mode, whatever the file inside the directory, the file is there, what all the files are there, it will copy along with this file. The directory is copied to this test1 directory. See here, copy capital -r, recursively it will copy. See, demo and say test1. Hit enter. See here, when we perform before without -r, so it's omitting, it's not allowing, because you are not specified the -r. Okay, when you specify the -r, the demo directory is copied to test1 directory. How come? We will check that whether the data is copied or not. ls-l, do test1 and hit enter. See, before when we perform this test, we check that whether the directory is existing or not. There is no any directory is existing. Now we can, after performing this command, we can see here, we checked here with ls command, you can see here demo directory is existing here. So that is recursively it will copy. Okay, I hope you got this point. Okay, we will meet in the next class. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you learned something new in today's lecture. Follow all the lectures and video, and don't forget to do like and subscribe. If you feel this video is helpful, please share with your friends and colleagues. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.